Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade concentrate. This easy guide will show you how to create a delicious base that's perfect for quick refreshments. Imagine having fresh lemonade ready in moments, without squeezing lemons every time. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a classic drink with less fuss, and you can easily adjust the sweetness to your liking. Let's get started on this refreshing journey. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 6 to 8 large, juicy lemons, which should yield roughly 1 1/2 cups of fresh lemon juice. Also, have 2 cups of granulated sugar and 2 cups of water ready. For equipment, a large saucepan for cooking and a heatproof container for storage are key. Make sure everything is clean and ready to go before you start. Now for the simple steps to create your concentrate. First, combine the 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water in your large saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar completely dissolves, forming a clear, simple syrup. Remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then, stir in the 1 1/2 cups of fresh lemon juice. Allow the mixture to cool completely before storing. Once your concentrate is cool, transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks, ready whenever you crave a refreshing drink. To make a glass of lemonade, simply mix 1 part concentrate with 3 parts cold water, or adjust to your preferred strength. You can also add ice and a lemon slice for garnish. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.